तो हमारे चैनल में व्लॉग में आप सबका स्वागत है। फान करते आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, कुछ पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं, कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस, कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक, कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट डेरिवेशन और कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस इसके बेस्ड। An element has a body centered cubic structure with a cell age of 120 to 88 picometer. The density of element is 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. How many atoms are present in 208 gram of the element? Value of unit cell V is equal to A cube to 88 picometer whole cube. एक पिकोमीटर 10 पावर मीटर, पिकोमीटर को मीटर में चेंज करना है। 10^12 2.39 -23 मालूम आप 208 ग्राम ऑफ एलिमेंट इक्वल टू मास अपॉन डेंसिटी। मास 208 है, 7.2 ग्राम सेंटीमीटर क्यूब इक्वल टू 28.88 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब। नंबर ऑफ यूनिट इन द वैल्यू 28/88 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब 2.39 इंटू 10⁻23 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब अपॉन यूनिट सेल इक्वल टू 12.08 इंटू 10⁻23 यूनिट सेल। सिंस ईच BCD यूनिट सेल contains 2 atoms, therefore the total number of atom is in 208 gram equal to 2 atoms upon unit cell multiply 12.8 into 10⁻29 unit cell 24.16 into 10⁻23 atom. Second question है, X-ray diffraction studies show that the copper stabilizes in a face-centered unit cell with a cell age of 3.608 into 10⁻8 centimeter. In separate experiment, copper is determined to have a density of 8.292 gram per centimeter. Calculate the atomic mass of copper. In case of FCC, number of atoms per unit cell Z is equal to 4 atoms. Therefore, M is equal to DNA. Avogadro number AQ upon Z equal to 8.92 gram centimeter cube into 6.022 into 10⁻23 ATM mole inverse multiply 3.608 into 10⁻8 centimeter in cube upon 4 ATM equal to 53.1 gram per mole. Atomic mass of copper equal to 63.1 EO. Third question is silver forms a CCP closed packing cubic closed packing and X-ray studies of its crystal show that the age length of unit cell is 408.6 picometer. Calculate the density of silver. Atomic mass is equal to होता 100.7.9 यूनिट दिया गया है. Since the lattice is cubic crystal fraction packing, the number of silver atom per unit cell equal to Z equal to 4. Molar mass of silver equal to 1.7.9 gram mole inverse equal to 1.7.9 into 10⁻³ kg mole inverse. Age length of unit cell is equal to 4.08 408.6 pm equal to 408.6 into 10⁻12 meter. Density is D equal to Z m small z into capital M upon a cube in n Avogadro number 4 into 10⁻107 into 10⁻³ kg mole inverse upon 4.408.6 into 10⁻12 meter cube into 6.022 Avogadro number into 10⁻107 mole liter inverse equal to 10.5 into 10⁻³ kg meter cube 10.5 gram centimeter cube inverse. Vapor pressure of chloroform CaCl3 and dichloromethane CH2Cl2 at 298 Kelvin are 200 mm Hg and 450 mm Hg respectively. Calculate the vapor pressure of solution prepared by mixing 20.5 gram of CaCl3 and 40 gram of CH2Cl2 at 298 Kelvin and second. Mole fraction of each component in vapor phase. Molar mass of CH2Cl2 12 into 1 plus 1 into 2 in plus 35.5 2 is equal to 85 gram mole inverse. Molar mass of CaCl3 12 into 1 plus 1 into 1 into plus 3 35.5 into 3 is equal to 119.5 gram mole inverse. Moles of CH2Cl2 40 gram upon 85 gram mole inverse is equal to 0.47 मोल ऐसे निकाला जाता है. फिर मोल्स आप क्लोरोफॉर्म का निकाल लेंगे CaCl3 का 25.5 ग्राम अपॉन 119.5 ग्राम मोल इनवर्स इक्वल टू 0.213 मोल. टोटल नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इक्वल टू 0.47 प्लस 0.213 इक्वल टू 0.683. मोल फ्रैक्शन CH2Cl2 बराबर 0.47 अपॉन 0.683 मोल इक्वल टू 0.688. मोल फ्रैक्शन CH3L3 इक्वल 1 minus 0.688 equal to 0.312 using equation 2.16. P total is equal to P1 naught plus P2 naught minus P1 naught. Solvent A1 equal to 200 plus 415 minus 200 into 0.688 equal to 200 plus 147.9 equal to 347 mm hygrometer. Second, PCH2Cl2 equal to 0.688 into 450 mm Hg equal to 285.5 mm Hg. CpSCl3 0.312 into 200 mm Hg equal to 62.4 Hg. YCH2Cl2 is 255.5 mm Hg upon 347.9 mm Hg equal to 0.82. YCHCl3 62.4 mm Hg upon 347.9 mm Hg equal to 0.18. The vapor pressure of pure benzene at a certain temperature is 0.856 bar. A non-volatile non-electrolyte solid weighing 0.5 gram when added to 39.0 gram of benzene, molar mass 78 gram, mole inverse vapor pressure of solution then is 0.845 bar. What is the molar mass of solid substance? The various quantities noted to us are as follows. P1 not equal to 0.850 bar, P is equal to 0.845 bar, M1 is equal to 78 gram, mole inverse W2 is equal to 0.5 gram, W1 is equal to 39 gram. Substituting these value in equation 2.28, we get 0.850 minus 0.845 bar upon 0.850 equal to 0.5 gram into 78 gram mole inverse upon M2 into 39. M2 is equal to 170 gram mole inverse. 18 ग्राम of अगला क्वेश्चन 18 ग्राम of glucose C6H12O6 dissolved into 1 gram kilogram of water in a saucepan. At what temperature will water boil? At 1.013 bar. Okay, Boltzmann constant Kb for water is 0.52 kilogram mole inverse. Moles of gas equal to 18 gram upon 180. Mole inverse is equal to 0.1 mole. Number of kilograms of solvent is equal to 1 kilogram. Thus molarity of glucose solution equal to 0.1 mole kilogram in 1 for water change in boiling point. Delta TB is equal to Kb into m equal to 0.52 kilogram mole inverse into 0.1 mole kilogram is equal to 0.052 kilogram. Since the water boils at 373.15 Kelvin at 1.013 bar pressure, then the boiling point of solution will be 373.2.0. Example 2.8, the boiling point of benzene is 353.23 Kelvin when 1.80 gram of non-volatile solute was dissolved in 90 gram of benzene. The boiling point is raised to 354.11 Kelvin. Calculate the molar mass of solute Kb for benzene is 0.50 Kelvin. Mole inverse elevation in boiling point is equal to 354.11 minus 353.23 is equal to 0.88 Kelvin. Substituting the value in expression 2.33. M2 is equal to 2.53 kilogram mole inverse into 1.8 gram into 1000 gram kilogram inverse upon 0.88 Kelvin into 90 gram equal to 58 gram mole inverse. The molar mass of solute is M2 equal to 58 gram mole inverse. Solvent boiling point Kb upon K kilogram mole inverse FL. Freezing point Kf upon K kilogram mole inverse. Water 373 0.52 273 1.86. Ethanol 351.5 1.20 kb upon B 155.7 1.99. Cyclohexane 353.7 2.79 279.55 220.00. Benzene 353.3 2.53 278.6 5.12. Chloroform 334.4 3.63 209.64 0.79. Carbon tetrachloride 350 5.03 250.5 31.8. Carbon disulfide 319.4 2.34 764.2 3.83. Diethyl ether 3.7.8 2.082 156.9 1.79. Acetic acid 390.1 2.93 290.0 3.90. Kf upon K. 45 gram of ethylene glycol is mixed with 600 gram of water C2H6O2. Calculate the freezing point depression under the freezing point of solution. Second, depression in freezing point is related to molality. Therefore, the molality of solution with respect to ethylene glycol equal to moles of ethylene glycol upon moles of water in kilogram. Moles of ethylene glycol equal to 45 gram upon 62 gram mole inverse equal to 0.73 mole. Mass of water in kilogram equal to 600 ग्राम upon 1000 ग्राम, किलोग्राम इनवर्स इक्वल टू 0.6 किलोग्राम. If the molarity of ethylene glycol is equal to 0.73 mole upon 0.60 kilogram, 1.2 mole kilogram inverse. Therefore, freezing point depression delta TF is equal to 1.86 kilogram mole inverse into multiply 1.2 mole kilogram inverse equal to 2.2. Freezing point of aqua solution 273.15 minus 2.2 Kelvin equal to 270.95 Kelvin. 1.00 gram of a non-electrolyte solute dissolved in 15 gram of benzene lowered the freezing point of benzene by 0.40. The freezing point depression constant of benzene is 5.12 kilogram mole. Find the molar mass of solute. Substituting the value of various terms involved in equation 2.33, we get m2 is equal to 5.12 kg mole inverse into 1.00 kilogram into 1000 gram kilogram inverse 0.40 into 50 gram is equal to 256 gram mole inverse. Molar mass of solute equal to 256 gram mole inverse. 200 centimeter cube of an aqueous solution of protein contains 1.26 gram of the protein. The osmotic pressure of such a solution at 300 Kelvin is formed is by 2.57 to 10 power minus 3 bar. Calculate the molar mass of protein. The various quantity known to us are as follows: pi is equal to 2.57 to 10 power minus 9 bar. V is equal to 200 centimeter cube, 0.200 liter. T is equal to 300 Kelvin. R is equal to 0.83 liter bar. Mole inverse Kelvin. Substituting the value in equation 4.24, 2.42, we get m2 is equal to 1.26 into 0.083 liter bar Kelvin inverse mole inverse into 300 Kelvin 2.57 into 10 power minus 3 bar into 0.2000 L liter equal to 61.022 gram mole inverse. उसके ऊपर है वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ प्योर वाटर है 298 Kelvin is to 23.8 mmHg. 50 gram of urea is dissolved in 50 gram of water. Calculate the vapor pressure of water for this solution and its relative lowering. Second, 10 boiling point of water at 755 mmHg is 99.63 degrees Celsius. How much sucrose is to be added to 500 gram of water such that it boils at 100 degrees Celsius? Calculate the mass of ascorbic acid C6H8O6 to be dissolved in 75 gram of acetic acid to lower its melting point by 1.5 degrees Celsius. Kf is equal to 3.9 kilogram mole inverse. Calculate the osmotic pressure in pascals exerted by the solution prepared by dissolving 1 gram of polymer of molar mass 185,000 in 450 ml of water at 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ये 3 क्वेश्चन दोस्तों, 4 क्वेश्चन हम घने घर से लगा कर लाइएगा. आज यहीं समाप्त करते हैं. चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा दोस्तों. धन्यवाद दोस्तों. ये होमवर्क है क्वेश्चन आप लोग का. धन्यवाद दोस्तों.